Hi everyone! In this video we will simplify expressions involving multiplication or division with integers. Simplify 35 minus 6 times the quantity 3 minus 7. Before we move forward, let's review a few rules. The first one will be the order of operations. Parentheses, exponents, multiply and divide from left to right, add and subtract from left to right. We have two mnemonics to help us remember this. We can make a word out of the first letters of each of those operations, PEMDAS, or the phrase that also uses the first letter of those operations. Please, excuse, my dear is one step, and Aunt Sally is the last step, from left to right. And they represent the same order of operations, parentheses, exponents, multiply and divide from left to right, add and subtract from left to right. Now we have another rule that we need to review as well. When we have multiplication or division and our signs are the same, meaning it's positive and positive or negative and negative, then the answer is positive. If I have signs that are different, meaning positive or negative or positive, since order doesn't matter, then my answer will be negative. Using the order of operations, I see that I have a set of parentheses right here, which means I need to do all of the operations inside of that first. 3 minus 7. Here I can change this to add the opposite. So I have positive 3 and negative 7. When I'm adding or subtracting and the signs are different, I will subtract 7 minus 3, which is 4, and then take the sign of the larger one. Here I have more negatives than positives, so my answer is negative 4. Then I copy everything down just as it was on the step before. Now I can see that I've completed all of the parentheses, and I don't have any exponents, so I'll move on to multiplying and dividing. So I need to multiply 6 times negative 4. When the signs are the same, it's positive, and when they are different, it is negative. I have two ways I can do this. I can do positive 6 times negative 4, or I can change my subtraction sign to add the opposite. Whichever way you prefer. You can either add the opposite now, or you can do it on the next step. I'm going to go ahead and add the opposite right now since I already have it written down. And this says that my signs are the same. So my answer will be positive. Negative 6 times negative 4 is positive 24. And then I copy everything down from the step before. 35 plus, and that's a positive 24. Now that I've completed all of the multiplication and division, I move to the last step of adding and subtracting from left to right. And since I only have one, I just need to add 35 plus 24. You can do this in your calculator, or you can line them up so that all of the place values are lined up off to the side for some scratch work, unless you like working in the sentence form, which can work as well. 5 plus 4 is 9. 3 plus 2 is 5. And so our answer, all the way down, evaluated to the end, is positive 59. And we're all done.